Before we start, please like the video and subscribe if you want more from me. Let's get into it. Let's listen to this kick first. This kick sounds decent, but it's missing punch. Let's add distortion to make it hit harder. Try out every distortion setting and see what sounds best for you. I'm going with tube and drive at 14. Sounds perfect on this kick. Distortion adds heat to your sound, but too much and everything starts clashing. Dial it in just enough to feel it, not enough to wreck it. That's how you make a kick knock. This sounds way better than before. Alright, now let's move on to the 808. Let's listen to this 808. This is the problem with the dry 808. It's so weak, you literally can't hear it without headphones. The first thing we're going to do is add some distortion to it. So for the 808, I'm going with hard distortion and setting the drive to 30. Not too much, not too little, just enough to give it that warm, crunchy character without it sounding too blown out. Next, I'll apply a compressor to tighten up the 808 and control its dynamics in the mix. Bring the ratio to 4:1. Keep the attack fast and the release medium. That way the compressor grabs the transient and keeps everything tight. Bring that threshold down until you're sitting at -6 decibels of gain reduction. Now your 808 will sit tight in the mix. Every note hits at a consistent level. Now let's get into the most important part, kick automation. Add a new effect channel. You can drag this channel and drop it at any position you prefer. Set the channel name to Automation Kick. I'm skipping the limiter sidechain method because, in FL Studio Mobile, it's more of a workaround than an actual feature. Instead, I'm using an automation clip, and honestly, it's a much cleaner and simpler way to get the job done. Now we're going to send 2 channels into this automation kick channel. Route the 808 channel to the kick automation channel. Don't forget to switch off the master channel. Now route your chords or melody channel into the kick automation channel. Don't forget to switch off the master channel. Any track you want to duck can be sent to this kick automation channel. Now, head over to the kick automation channel and add a leveler. Make an automation clip on leveler. Great, the automation clip is now ready to edit. Go ahead and draw the automation similar to what you see here. It's basically the same as Sidechain on PC, you just have to do it manually with an automation clip. When the kick plays, other tracks duck down automatically, giving the kick room to hit hard. Now copy this automation clip and paste it on every kick. After the kick automation, notice how the kick hits different now. It's not fighting anything anymore. The bass ducks out of the way. The melody steps back, and the kick just cuts through clean. Now let's compare it again.